Baked Rasgulla all the way from Kolkata. Happy New Year! Welcome to 2023 first mukbang video. I am going to have a full chicken. This is full chicken curry. To marinate the chicken, I mix up ginger garlic with turmeric powder, mirch powder, and oil with salt, and then I mix it up together and keep it for a while. You can keep it for 30 minutes or 1 hour according to your timing. And then for the pork, I mix up ginger, garlic, black pepper, salt, and some oil, and then I mix it up together, and I keep the pork sliced very thin so that it will be very crispy. And here I put it in the air fryer, and then we will do 2 rounds of it, flipping the sides of the pork so that it will be done evenly. And I am taking voiceover because at that time when I was recording with the voice, but what happened was at that time downstairs in our society there were a New Year party going on, so people were playing music, so for copyright I have to take out the audio, and that's why I'm taking over with the voiceover. And here the pork is done. I will taste of it now. Pork se loire, pork se hazik cha dora bani. Yam haugi bani sige porks. And yeah, I cut it into small pieces, bite pieces. I take the lettuce and then I put the sauce, which I mix together with tomato, ginger, garlic, green chili, and just grind it with a little bit of onion. And then I took the bite and it was so good. It was so good. We are coming up with the full chicken curry recipe. Now here I sauteed onions with a little bit of garlic, and I took it out so that I can use it later on the top of the chicken curry. And then I will put some more onions and saute it for the curry. This is when this recipe of the curry started. And then I put ginger garlic paste and saute it for a while. And then I will add the full chicken, the marinated full chicken. I will add it on the top of the oil by putting the garlic and the ginger and the onion aside so that the oil will directly cook the chicken. And here I flip the chicken, and like this I have to cook it for a while. Here I put a little bit of water mixed together with chili powder, turmeric powder, a little bit of salt, and I cook like this in low flame for a while, flipping the sides, covering it up. And then yeah, in the next slide you will see me with a normal video with a normal voice. Welcome everyone. Khurumjari mayam. Mayam happy new year. Ngasi new year gi intercity है ना? हाँ intercity order तो बने no क्या international intercity order ने there will be 2 rounds of mukbang today. We'll be cutting cake first, not exactly cake, pastry, and then we'll have the traditional, my compulsory rice and chicken and pork. This is tiramisu cake, and this is chocolate. I don't know. I forgot. We have to check the order. I think chocolate truffle or something. Sina tiramisu ko isi je coffee na sab yam hao bane ko. This is na kano bin kaiba chocolate kine. Aduga si this is baked rasgulla all the way from Kolkata. We have already opened it. We have already tasted because we can't wait it. We got this order by evening, and it was very good. She say baked rasgulla ne buko Kolkata de order to bane ba. Masay nung din lai nung dang wa do cha thok ka. Give me a spoon. Don't have any that one. Candles. मोम है मोम बड़ा वाला. No. We ordered the pastry to cut it for 2000, for welcoming 2023 for the new year. That's why. But we don't have any candles now. We have only big candles. So everyone, Happy New Year. Ma'am, Happy New Year. May the new year bring happiness and light to your life, and God bless you. I don't know what else to say. Happy New Year! I didn't know it only. We didn't cut it. I'll cut the tiramisu first. This is my favorite cake nowadays. Before I used to love red velvet, but I like tiramisu because it is not that sweet. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Aja. Mona.
Happy New Year. 2023. It is good.
So good.
वो वाला truffle का वाला काटो.
I'll have the taste of this one. Happy New Year, ma'am. Everyone, Happy New Year.
Good, na?
So good. So good, so good, so good. It is expensive though. Just in this box, I think it was around 485. 568. It is expensive, but it is very good.
Try the truffle one.
It is also not that sweet, huh? Namthum boy de ka.
That's why I like that. It's not sweet.
Aduga rasgulla hana gulagi ma tap tawa ma how to the admain tawa oy deba. Chocolate truffle pastry.
First,
I don't like chocolate that much.
how is it? Mona, this
Good. This is also good, but this is the one I love. I love the tiramisu cake.
क्या गाना लगा रहा है मायके चली जाऊंगी.
Now we will have the main food. Welcome to 2023 first mukbang video. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, everyone. Khurumjari mayam, Happy New Year. 2023 lakpasida ingchikpa aphaba nungaiba isa phaba ingchikna paisa nungsa nungaina panba oiro mayam punama. Happy New Year, everyone. Kain na noy da tuma.
I'm sorry for my mouth.
Happy New Year, everyone. May you have a blessed year with good health and wealth and a peaceful world. I am going to have a full chicken. This is full chicken curry, which is a recipe that I discovered when I was in PG. While I was staying in PG. And this is air fried pork. Why is it not cutting? It was cutting before her, now it is cutting. So walang pasta maya apamba loy mo thungbo zero. Oi zero ka aina piba ta ha aina board piba ya ba gi type ta. Aina board ta da piba ya oi ta ke am nungai ngado. I am gonna have this first. Give me the other chutney, the tomato chutney. I'll mix it.
Tomato chutney is not there.
There must be a little though.
You tell her if I'm green chili necessary.
Okay, okay.
Huh?
It's okay. First bite of 2023. Today this pork is really good.
But it is good. Pork meat is good.
사가인데 하면 빠무이 하면 되죠. Yummy. Tin học đối với bạn. Ai này xí xả. Quỷ để bà sản ra được bà. Phải thông bởi ai cao ra vậy. Mà này mình thắc là cái này chẳng. Để cái này khá là vậy. New Year đó cái gì. How bu how ni? How you bane thi na.
You are bad. You are not giving me.
Wait now. Yellow. You guys take your own. Chapa hora cái mẹ. Yên mà phải để phát dễ mà sắc.
Good na?
So good. Chỉ không có sao nằm nè. Ngồi thằng mình chắc chắn mình bảo. Ông chưa làm món hao là bảo. This is the gravy.
Very juicy.
But Chacom. First bite. Một tuyệt vời một chiếc điểm hên hò đâu. Không có trong mắt tâm mình. Thì nào em làm try to. Recipe yaw budi. Ay video. Try to. Full budi hap sere bakoy na. Ay wano yan tum biyan. Ay na full budi hap sere habidi. Babay ni yan ni sita chen tok chin to budi ko. Ado amuka mu thong ka mayam kana taw ni ngadi. Full recipe khang ni ngadi. Ado mahi hapa mahi kang kan da na mahi kang ga ma thaw thol boda. Ado main thola kan da dum lo shan ya bu. Khoa de. 구통을 우버간다 물로이다바가 만면에 먹고 아도 메인에 타라가 구이나가와 탐거담네 바두기네 바 타오얌 하피도 아도 문면에 근데 좀 더 옌 보일러 제가 수감 구인 정도는 문 방지간 메테인데 또 nói 메테인데 강다
Very juicy it is.
huh? So good. That's why I always want to have chicken with skin because with skin it is more good.
See, I will compare करेगा ये food और नीचे का food.
Sige, skin nila. Ini pamzis. 이게 70%다. Amazon'da pasang skin, chicken only skin.
Both were tasty.
Both? The pork,
Pork and chicken both were
Yeah.
tasty. The meat is good today.
You wanna have pork from here?
If it's crunchy.
The pork fat. This is the meat part. The other chutney is really over. Chutney, I'm gonna
Which
half.
one? Green one.
Not the green one. Pork nga sa I'm sagre ba dudugin ay na zigian ni chat size. You know, I didn't expect the chicken to be this good.
This is very tender.
Lutuin.
It is very tender. Right?
확실히 짜방은 너무 안 돼. Cái mà sao vậy? Mà sao cái baked rasgulla đồ khổ hoa vậy? Khổ hoa mà. Mai mà hiểu nên hả?
What?
I'm saying the baked rasgulla is very good. And the curry or whatever that thing is more good.
Yes.
I'm feeling so full today. I think because of having the cake and the rasgulla. And also pork also, we already had it. 이거 톡 들어가.
How come? This one?
고하고 되면. 좀 mà em đã sao bốc cái thân cái lèo lắm thôi.
Hey, Kalka lunch. Huh? Done with me.
자방은 모르시대나. I'm so full. I'm not being able to finish this. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Mẹ em lời bảo yang bị bấy thaga chari. I hope in this 2023 I will be able to bring more fun and more videos with good food. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.